Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and chat on Snapchat web. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, all you need to do is go ahead into any browser that you want to and simply go ahead and search for Snapchat web like I did, and go ahead and click on the first link that pops up. Once you've done that, make sure that you are logged in into your Snapchat account. If you don't know how to go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account, you can simply go ahead and watch my older video, and I will show you exactly how you can go ahead and send chats now or send messages. So all you need to do is at least have friends first, right? However, I don't have friends on this account. It's just a newly made account. So all you can do is simply go ahead and click on the avatar of your friend, which is going to show up right over here. And once you click on that, you're going to be on this page. For example, I'm going to write to AI, hi. There you go. And it's going to be sent to AI just like that. You can simply go ahead and chat with your friends. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.